For texturing, we have to do the UV unwrapping first. On face, I am selecting the edge loop and press Ctrl plus E and select the mark seam option. In antennas, we will add the mark seam on this edge loop. We have to add the multiple seams on every part of the model, body, arms, face, eyes, antennas, in every part in order to add the texture on it. Now all the seams are done. In object mode, select all the parts by pressing A and then press Ctrl A and choose the visual geometry to mesh option. It will apply all the modifiers. Now combine all the meshes into one by pressing Ctrl plus J in object mode. Make sure everything is selected. Now go to the edit mode and press U and choose the unwrap option. It will unwrap the geometry which is visible in UV image editor. Now the model is ready for texturing. We have to export it in FBX file because the texturing software Substance Painter accepts the FBX file. For this, go to the File, then Export option and choose the FBX option. Now select this option Limit to Selected Object. Name your FBX file here and export FBX file. Now we can use this file in Substance Painter to do texture painting. Now we will open the Substance Painter and will import the FBX file we just made with the default import settings. Here is the model in Substance Painter. First we have to bake mesh maps. To bake the mesh maps, change the output size to 2048 and press Bake Selected Texture. It will take some time to bake the textures here. Now we will start texturing work. First of all, add a fill layer and choose the base color of character and reduce the roughness. Add another fill layer and turn off the color option and increase the roughness and add a black mask on it. Add a fill layer by selecting the black mask and from the grayscale value choose this cloud option. It will add some random roughness on the model texture. Now I am dragging and dropping the skin texture and scale up its size here and turn off the color option for the bumpy skin. Duplicate the skin color layer and change a color to a darker value and on the black mask add a generator, choose ambient occlusion and make the global invert to true. Perfect. It added some dark color areas. Now have to change the color of eyes to black. For this, add a fill layer with the black color and add a black mask into it and select the eyes polygon. That's all. Model texture is ready now. We will export this texture so we can use it in Blender. Go to the File, Export Texture, choose the location and click the Export Texture. Now come into the Blender. Go to the shader editor, add a material, select the principal BSDF node and press Ctrl plus T. And select these 5 textures, press enter. Our texture is added to the model we had made. Have a look, it is looking very cool. We are doing some changes in lighting setup. Here is our model now with new lighting and the texture we made in Substance Painter. We also have to add the red circle on the face. For this, take a subdivide cube, delete the bottom vertices, press S plus Z plus 0. It is flat now. Now make it a circle from Loop Tools. Place it on the required position on the face. Turn on snapping option. Face project individual element. Now go to the edit mode on a circle, press G and every vertex will be snapped on the face. Use solidify and mirror modifier, press U to unwrap, place its UV map on this position of the texture, make its material separate, add a hue node and make the required value adjustment to get the required color as in the reference. We also lessen the displacement value to lessen the bumps on the face and body. All is done here. This was the super simple 3D character modeling, texturing and rendering. Hope you guys will like it and find it easy. Let me know in the comment how you find it and you can also ask if you have any question. Don't forget to like and subscribe.